Okay, this problem here is a follow-up to the one before it. Okay, it's the same context of a Ferris wheel moving around counterclockwise direction, starting down here. So like all this work we did here, we're still going to need. This is from the last video. So the key thing is we have our model for the height of this Ferris wheel. Okay, so I'll just write it down again. We came up with the model for the height to be -3 cosine pi over 16t plus 4. Now what this question says is, what is the first value of t for which the height of the point will be 6.5 feet? So you should know that if you move around this Ferris wheel over and over, you're gonna be at 6.5 feet multiple times, right? In this diagram, I think we learned that was at 16 seconds, and the height here is 7. Okay, the height is 7 feet. We learned that because the radius is 3, the diameter therefore is 6, and we know that this was 1. So the height is 7 feet. So if you kind of think about it, it should be happening. So we're going to move around. The height should be 6.5 feet, like somewhere up here, like, 7 feet is at the pinnacle. Okay, so we can even estimate, right? This is going to be at 8 seconds, we know, and then the height is 16 seconds. So we're looking for something in between. Like the answer should be some number in between 8 seconds and 16 seconds, probably a little closer to the 16 seconds. In terms of the formula, what we're going to do is we're just going to put 6.5 in for our height, and we want to solve this equation. And you're just going to solve this equation using using technology. Okay, meaning I'm just going to go graph these two. Put this into one equation and this into another, and we're going to see where the graphs intersect. So I already have my my cosine graph. Let's graph y equals 6.5. Okay, there's the origin, here, and so the first intersection, if I just touch that, it happens at about 13.017 seconds. What does it say to round to here? 100th of a second, so that would be 13.02. So that point there is like happening at about 13.02, and the height we know is 6.5.